Hi, Sally Walker here, your hormone and slow age expert. So how many emotions do we have? Well, science has demonstrated there's about 27 different emotions, and there's a list down there so you can have a look at those. But we do know that there are basically 8 primary emotions, and many of the others are very closely associated with these 8. So what are they? So with the 8 primary emotions, we've got anger, we've got anticipation, we have joy, we have trust, we have fear, we have surprise, sadness and disgust. So these seem to be the primary emotions. And they actually pair together because they have, they're like polar opposites. And you can't feel the one without having felt the other. So they're all both of them are very, very important. So joy, for example, is the opposite of sadness. When we are joyful, we want to connect. And when we're sad, we tend to withdraw. So fear is the opposite of anger. So when we're fearful, we're hiding, we're small, we don't want to be seen. And when we're angry, we want to be enormous and we're loud and we definitely want to be seen. So anticipation is the opposite of surprise. So if we are in anticipation, we're examining very closely. Whereas if we're surprised, we jump back, don't we? So again, there's closure and there's opening here. Disgust is the opposite of trust. And when we are disgusted, we reject. And when we're trusting, we will embrace. So these 8 primary emotions, they also trigger other emotions with us. And understanding that can be a way of understanding which primary emotion is controlling you. Anyway, have a little look. It's down there in the blog so you can study the polar opposites and study. Perhaps you're somebody who withdraws quite a lot. So then you can start thinking, well, am I really sad? Is there sadness in my life? Is there something I need to look at? Or maybe you're someone who's rejecting a lot. So are you rejecting because you're disgusted? Have a little play with this and see if you can maybe find out why you're being dominated by one of these primary emotions. Happy hormones, happy life.